Millions of people around the world were unexpectedly affected after Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger experienced a widespread outrage. Users suddenly found themselves unable to refresh their feeds, send messages, and upload content or even log into their accounts. Within minutes, reports began pouring in from different countries, making it clear that this was not an issue with individual device or internet connection, but a large-scale service disruption affecting Meta's platforms. For many users, the outrage came without any warning. Some believed their Wi-Fi had stopped working, while others restarted their phones or reinstalled the apps in an attempt to fix the problem. However, as more people reported experiencing the same issue, it became obvious that the disruption was affecting millions of users at the same time. Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger are all operated by Meta and share parts of the company's technical infrastructure. Because all three services experienced problems simultaneously, experts quickly concluded that the issue was likely related to Meta's internal systems, rather than the problem with users' device or internet providers. As reports continued to increase, online outrage monitoring platforms recorded thousands of complaints within a short period. Users described a wide range of issues. Some could open the applications but were unable to load new posts, while others found that messages were not even delivered. Many Instagram users reported that stories, reels, photos failed to upload, and some users were unable to log into their accounts altogether. The outrage also affected businesses, creators, and organizations that depend on Meta's platform to communicate with customers and audiences. Advertising campaigns, customer support, and regular business activities were temporarily interrupted until the services became stable again. The biggest question everyone wanted answered was why the outrage happened. According to Meta, the disruption was caused by the internal technical issue affecting the company's system. The company did not indicate that the outrage was a result of cyber attack or unauthorized access. Instead, the problem was linked to technical infrastructure responsible for keeping the platforms running. Modern social media services operate through massive networks of servers and data centers located around the world. These systems continuously exchange information to deliver messages, photos, videos, and notifications in real time. If a critical part of its infrastructure experiences a technical fault, several services can be affected at the same time. Technology experts explain this issue involving servers configuration, networking system, software updates, or internal infrastructure can occasionally lead to outrage of this scale. Although incidents like this are uncommon, they can happen even to some of the world's biggest and largest technology companies because of the complexity of the global networks. Once the issue was identified, Meta's engineering team began working to restore services as quickly as possible. During this time, users turned to other online platforms to confirm whether others were facing similar problems. Discussions about Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger being offline quickly became popular across the internet. The outrage also highlighted how much people relied on this platform in their daily lives. For millions of users, social media is not only a way to stay connected with friends and family, but also an important tool for business, education, entertainment, and communication. Another question many people were asking was when the platform would start working normally again. Meta gradually restored its services after its engineers resolved the technical issue. The recovery did not happen instantly for everyone. Instead, the platform returned in stages as the company monitored system performance and ensured that everything was functioning correctly. Some users regained access within a relatively short period, while others experienced temporary delays before all features become available again. Eventually, Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger returned to normal operation, allowing users to send messages, refresh their feeds, upload content, and access their accounts without further delay and problems. Even after the services were restored, Meta continued monitoring its infrastructure to ensure system stability and reduce the possibility of additional disruptions. If you experience a similar outrage in the future, this is usually no need to panic. Before changing passwords or reinstalling applications, it is worth checking whether other users are reporting the same issue. In many cases, widespread outrage are caused by technical problems, on the company's side, and they are resolved once engineering teams complete the necessary fixes. Incidents like this remind us that even the world's largest technology companies depend on highly complex infrastructure. While these systems are designed for reliability, occasional technical disruptions remain a possibility, especially when billions of users rely on the same platform every day. My opinion is that temporary technical outrage can happen to any major online service. The most important thing is how quickly the company identifies the issue, keeps users informed, and restores services. I also believe users should remain patient during these situations because most large-scale outrages are resolved once technical teams fix the underlying problems. Thank you for watching. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest news updates.